I should have figured it out because I was in there pulling stuff off. I was like, that's a different kind of belt. I wonder if it just got gooey. It did not just get gooey. It was the other belt, but I didn't know it because I've never done it before. This is the really, really hard to access side. Shit, I forgot. Just did this yesterday. Do I remember which ones I used? No. This one looks promising. It's a number 10. Everybody loves 10s. Yes, it's the one. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's not good. Something fell. So why, let me ask. Am I hammering on my engine? The guy who installed our new alternator, which is a Belmar, should have gotten a Belmar buddy, which is a longer swing arm for the alternator to move along the plane to allow me to put the alternator belt in without it being insanely difficult.